Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to get dark mode for home screen apps on iPhone. For that, firstly you need to go on your settings, and there you can see general. You have to tap on it, and there you can see software update option at the second, and make sure your software is updated to iOS 18 because it only works in iOS 18. Now if it is up to date, then you can go back. Now you can simply long press on your home screen, and at the top left you can see edit option. You have to tap on it, and there at the second you can see customize option. Simply tap on it, and at the downside you can see 4 options: light, dark, automatic, tinted, and at the top you can see 2 options: small or large. Now in order to get the dark mode, you have to simply tap on dark. Likewise, there are also options for automatic and tinted. You can choose that. You can even customize on the tinted part. Now, but for this video, we will go for dark one. After that, you can simply tap on it. And now you can see that your home screen is in dark mode. And this is how you can get dark mode for home screen apps on iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.